Alright, we're gonna try this out. So, hey everybody. It's kind of weird because the screen is flipped, but whatever. Hey, I hope everybody's doing alright. This is Amer. He's 3 weeks old now. I just wanted to do a little brief video check-in to see how everybody was doing and mention a couple things. So first, I'm gonna try to record some lessons like this for concepts that I notice that you guys are struggling on. Second, please, please, please feel free to text or email me and we can FaceTime whenever things are getting confusing, even if it's in the middle of class. Just shoot me a text. If I'm up, we'll FaceTime and we could talk it out right then, right there, so you don't have to call another teacher. You don't have to be confused. Third, please make sure that you guys check your Google Classroom and the class website. On the Google Classroom, there's an assignment for you. Right now it's set to be due Tuesday by 5, but I'm going to extend that for you, so that's going to be due Thursday by 5. You can either type the answers on a Google spreadsheet, or you can just write them on a piece of paper and put them in your folder. That's totally fine. But just know that's going to be due Thursday by 5, sorry. Pregnancy brain still in effect. And also make sure you check the class website. The link is on your syllabus. I put some resources on there to help you guys, so I'll keep updating that as well. In terms of the test, I know that there was some confusion on alpha, beta decay, and half-life. So what I want you guys to focus on for today is 1, doing some test corrections. Ms. Polk will give you a form for that. And 2, working on that little mini half-life lab. Don't get too hung up on the concept of half-life and radioactive decay. It's a very small part of your test. So if you're still struggling with it, like I said, call, text me, both FaceTime, and we can work out some of those problems. In terms of the test, there's a couple things that I noticed generally. I think he's going to poop. Welcome to baby life. One thing was the concept of an ion. So what you guys should have learned is that a neutral atom is composed of protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons and neutrons are in the nucleus, and electrons float on the outside. Protons have a positive charge, neutrons have no charge, and electrons have a negative charge. So, with that said, an ion is an atom that has more or less electrons than normal, therefore it has a charge. So, if it says phosphorus has a 3- charge, that means it's gained 3 electrons. Electrons have a negative charge, so 3- means you gain 3 negative charges. Now, if it said phosphorus had a 3+ charge, that means it lost 3 electrons. You lost 3 of your negatives, so now you're more positive. That was just one thing I noticed on the test. If that's still confusing, you know what you should do. Text or email me. I'm up in the morning. He wakes up at like 6:30, so I'm going to be up. But other than that, just want to check in. You guys are doing great. I know it's a little frustrating for your teacher to be gone, but Ms. Polk is excellent. You're in excellent hands. But if there's anything I can do to help, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'll check in with you guys next week, and I'll be back to work soon. But you guys got this. You got it. Don't stress anything. Okay. Oh, that reminds me. When you do your test corrections, you have an opportunity to get back half of the points that you missed. So, if you got a 50 on the test and you finish all your test corrections, you have to turn in the test correction form and the test to Ms. Polk. You can't take them home. You'll get a 75. You'll get back 25 of your points on the test. So, if you got a 75 on the test, which means you lost 25 points, you gain back 12.5, so you would end up with like an 87.5 on the test. So it's a good way to get some points back and boost those grades back up. Okay? Yeah. I'm really awkward on video, but this is the first time, so hopefully this works out. Alright, bye guys.